This is not for the little man who wants to take you to Chili's, okay? No, no, ma'am. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Kendra. If this is your first time here, I know it's been a long time. I haven't done a video in almost 3 weeks, and this is my first video for the new year, so happy new year to those who are watching. So I decided to come back with a new fragrance that's only been out for about 3 weeks, and I wanted to make sure that I give you guys my impression of this fragrance. So if you want to know my thoughts on this fragrance, stay tuned. The fragrance is going to be called I Want Choo, and it is by Jimmy Choo. And this is the box, just so you all can see. This is an amazing box. I think it's so cute. It has the name of the fragrance right here. And also it has their logo, which I think is a very, very cute. And of course the box has like a glittery finish, which I think is very, very cute as well. Very girly. And when you open the box, this is the first thing that you see, which is some instructions to let you know about the bottle when you open it. This reminds me of the last fragrance that I did in my last video, because that box was red as well. So this is what it looks like. This is the bottle. This bottle is so cute, so amazing, so girly. Like, I love this. This is a very, very cute bottle. It has their initials on the front, of course, and it has like this very diamond-y effect right here where it says I Want Choo. And this top right here is actually the sprayer. It does not come off. That is the sprayer. And then the instructions says that there is going to be a little key. It comes with a key. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but it comes, let me see if I can show it to you guys. So it comes with a little key. I hope you can see. I'm trying to put it on my hair so that you can see. But yeah, it comes with this little key. It says that the fragrance, oh, it locks and unlocks. Okay, so I guess a lot of people were breaking the top when they first got it. So now the second batch, I guess, comes with the key where you can put it here. And then you can kind of lock it or unlock it. So, that's a little different. Okay, everyone, so I ended up getting the 2 fluid ounces, and I ended up paying $90 for this, and I ended up getting it out of Macy's. Okay, so the stores that carry this fragrance is going to be Macy's, Ulta, and also Nordstrom's, if I'm not mistaken. So basically what they're saying about I Want Choo is going to be sparkling floral oriental fragrance infused with velvet peach, vanilla, jasmine, and red spider lily. And there is going to be a hint of mandarin orange. So when I think about this fragrance, let's just keep it 100. Let's just keep it a buck, okay? This fragrance is bougie as hell, okay? It's bougie, okay? Like, look at the bottle. It tells you everything you need to know. Bougie as hell, okay? This fragrance to me is for the modern day glamorous woman, okay? This is not for any immature girl, okay? This is a woman's fragrance, okay? Like this right here, look at the bottle. Look at this, okay? This is from 30 and up, okay? The little children that's doing 29 and below, no ma'am, okay? No, not doing it. This is bougie. This is elegant. This is the I am married and I'm getting me a ring, or Listen, I'm working on my ring. You feel me? When you wear this, your man is taking you to Marcel's Steakhouse, okay? He's taking you to, what's another one? STK. He's taking you to Fleming's, okay? This is not for the little man who wants to take you to Chili's, okay? No, ma'am, okay? Bougie, modern, glamorous, a woman who wants to have a little bit of fun, but still stands her ground, okay? Okay. This is it, okay? Let's go. With this, I'm definitely smelling a hint of peach, more mandarin, than anything else. A splash of jasmine. And when I tell you the vanilla is like 2%, the vanilla is like 2%. It's there, but she's not really trying to show herself, okay? Like, no. But what I will tell you is, soon as I just sprayed that just now, it was very strong. It's one of those things where it goes on strong, but by the time you get, to the restaurant, or you're going to, get proposed to or whatever, it's gonna kind of, die down just a little bit. Like, it's one of those, it's gonna be with you for a long period of time, but it's gonna be a nice mellow scent as the night goes on. But trust and believe, he gonna smell this all the way till you get home, okay? So you know it, okay? But anyway, you just need 2 sprays on your whole body, okay? It's not something that I need to spray 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, you don't need to do that with this. This is a 1 or 2 hit spray. I'm done. You're going to feel like a new woman after spraying this, okay? Like, you notice I had to wear my silk, okay? Okay, I had to wear the silk today because, honey, that's how I feel right now, okay? I feel fabulous. I feel like I want to have a little bit of fun. I'm like, date night, okay? Date night. Jimmy Choo, I Want Choo, okay? Perfect name. I think the name is fabulous. I think that was a really cute name. And of course, Valentine's Day is coming up. So this will be the perfect fragrance for you to ask your significant other for, or to hint for, or to, hell, spray it on you. Go to the store, spray it on, and just hint it. Let's see how he feels about it, okay? This is my new fragrance for 2021, okay? This is it. I recommend you guys go ahead and go get this fragrance, especially for Valentine's Day. Men, if you're watching, go get this for your lady, okay? You gonna get you some, sir, okay? You gonna get some, sir. Okay, this is it. So go out and get you some I Want Choo, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for subscribing in advance. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I have a new video coming soon. Trust and believe. I know that I've been gone for a little while, but I'm back in action, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you ended up getting this fragrance. Let me know if you got it for Valentine's Day. Let me know. Just let me know, and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next